Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Today we have an iPhone 10R with a broken camera at the back and a broken camera glass. So let's go fix it. The first thing we're gonna do is try to open the device as safely as we can manage, because the display is in good working condition, although the tempered glass on it is in pretty bad shape, but that's not our main concern. We're just gonna reuse that one later on. We're gonna pry it open by removing the two main screws beside the lightning port. It's gonna take a while because I think this has been its first time. This is the first time that we're gonna open this iPhone 10R, and we're gonna lift it up on the side, of course held on by clips and adhesive, so it's a pretty secure locking mechanism. We're gonna align that 90 degrees on the right side and hold that position with a tin can of oil. We're gonna remove this portion, because this is where the camera module is located. Remove this plate, and we're gonna detach it. This is for the display. I think this is for the camera itself. And we're gonna remove the screws that are holding onto the main camera, and there's a cover. Also gonna remove that one. This is gonna be a standard fix. The iPhone 10R camera is not really that complicated as what you've seen. It's just one lens, so it's gonna be a straightforward fix. This is it. We're gonna put that to the side. The damage on display itself has also damaged the camera module inside, so we're gonna remove this broken remnant of camera glass. It's pretty useless now. We're gonna slowly remove that one. Nothing to worry about at the back because the old camera module is already removed. And this is where we attach our replacement camera, safely protected by that plastic part. And we're gonna slip it in, push it in, and install the connector. So remember that we haven't really installed the camera glass in front of the camera module, so we are not really protecting our replacement camera as of the moment. But we're gonna take our time to put back all the screws, because Apple iPhones tend to go crazy if you don't put the correct screw on the correct slot. So here we are gonna put the last piece before we test if this repair has been successful. And David has done a good job not removing the display the whole time, which is crazy. It's gonna be a nerve-wracking experience if you are not a qualified technician for this type of repair. Here we're just gonna tighten it up. More screws, and let's turn this on. Oh, we're gonna close it up now. Okay, we're just gonna close it up. Not really an issue with iPhones. So what you've seen, you can just reuse the old adhesive because there's a backup clip on behind the display. We're gonna turn this on and see if the camera is indeed working. Front camera still working. And the zoom still zooms in and out, focuses, and I think that's it. I'm just gonna cover this whole up, and if you have any questions on the types of repair that we offer here in the shop, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. And this is the adhesive strip specific for this model and part. Also have our replacement glass, and now it's sorted out. Thanks for joining, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I hope you learned something or enjoyed our show. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time?